Dear students, now we will consider a circuit which consists of only a capacitor, and at that time how the voltage and current will vary. So suppose this is a circuit which consists of a capacitor which is a C, and that is connected to an alternating source of EMF E, that is equal to E naught sin omega t. Now what will be the current? I is equal to dq by dt. Already we know Q is equal to CV, or you can write down here CE also. EMF is here E. Again E is equal to E naught sin omega t. So we can write down I is equal to d by dt of Q is equal to C into E naught sin omega t. Now you have to differentiate this expression. Here C E naught, that is constant, so you can write down everything C E naught. Only you have to differentiate sin omega. Differentiation of sin x, that is equal to cos x. So that is equal to C E naught differentiation of sin omega t, that is equal to cos omega t into differentiation of omega t, that is equal to only omega. So we can write down I is equal to C E naught into omega into cos omega, or that is equal to E naught into cos omega t divided by 1 by omega c. Both the expressions are same. Here 1 by omega c, that is equal to how much? 1 by omega c, that is equal to XC, where XC is the resistance offered by the capacitive circuit, or the resistance offered by the circuit which contains only a capacitor. That is called the capacitive reactance also. Also we know omega is equal to 2 by F. So we can write down I is equal to E naught divided by XC into cos omega t, or in other form we can write down I is equal to E naught by XC into sin pi by 2 plus omega t. Now, if we compare this equation with your E is equal to E naught sin omega t, then what will be the conclusion? Here the voltage is the function of your only sine omega t, and the current is the function of your sine omega t plus pi by 2. That means you can say the current leads the voltage. By a phase angle of how much? Pi by 2. So this is important. When the circuit containing only capacitor, at that time current leads. If the circuit contains only an inductor, then at that time voltage will lead the current by a phase angle of 90 degree. So if you want to express this conclusion in graphical form, then what will be the nature of the graph? Current leads the voltage. That means, and in the expression pi by 2 plus omega t. That means, suppose this is current and this will be a E or voltage. If you mark the maximum value of current, then this is the peak value or the maximum value. That means I0. Similarly, here this point will be a maximum value of EMF, which is denoted by a E0. Now, the important thing is how can you draw the phase diagram for this conclusion. Current leads the voltage. So, suppose that means the angle between your current and voltage will be a 90 degree, and the EMF will make an angle of omega t with your x-axis. So, suppose this is your E0 and this is I0. So, this angle will be a pi by 2 and this angle will be a omega t, and this angle means current, and that will be a in pi by 2, and this angle will be in anti-clockwise terms. Now, if you want to express in your phase diagram, then how can you draw? So this is E0 and I. That means current will lead by a phase angle of 90 degree. So the EMF will make an angle of omega t, and the angle between your current and voltage will be equal to your pi by 2. Now, another important thing. In this derivation, we know XII is equal to 1 by omega c, or you can write down here XII is equal to 1 by 2 pi f c. That means XII is inversely proportional to your frequency. So, if you want to draw the graph between your XII and f, then the graph or the nature of the graph will be like this. This is your frequency along x-axis, and in y-axis x frequency. Another conclusion: these two are inversely proportional. That means when the frequency is equal to 0, in which case the frequency will be 0. For a DC direct current, the frequency is equal to 0. Then XC is equal to how much? XC is equal to infinity. Means the resistance offered by the capacitive circuit will be infinity. Or in other words, we can say the capacitor blocks, it will block. Capacitor will block this.